everyone, and welcome back to Tom Studios. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a picture in this notebook thing I got. The first, we have to start with the background. So if your background's blue, choose the color blue and you make it big. And then you fill the entire page with this color. So today I'm going to be drawing waterfalls. So then you choose your other color and then you draw over this color. Then you draw a mountain here. Now let's make our size smaller and choose the blue, and then we make the water flow. Now that doesn't look good. There, our water is flowing and you can make a tiny river here. And if you like, you can add a nice sun in the corner. And you can take your eraser tool and put it on large or not very large. And then you can make a cloud. And then you save it. And that's how you can make a picture. You have to start with the background. Because if I would start with the green, then I place the blue and then... Okay, watch. So I start with the green. Then I do the blue, then it's gonna go a bit over the green, which I guess doesn't matter too much. You can do it how you want to do it. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave a like.